This ringneck pheasant rooster is putting on quite a show here with all his fancy colorful feathers. Notice the habitat that he is standing in there. Very thick, weedy cover. This is what pheasants require in the winter if they're going to survive. Of course, the ringneck pheasants are not a native bird to Iowa or even the United States. They arrived here from Asia back in early 1900s, and their population boomed for a while, but in recent years, as a lot of our cattail sloughs where they would spend the winter and old brushy windbreaks and fence rows disappeared, their numbers have declined. So if we want to build the pheasant population back up, we need things, especially in winter, it's critical time for them. Weedy sloughs, windbreaks, and sometimes food plots to help them out. This cute little Virginia opossum was warming up outside my office the other day. You can kind of see here it was huddled up against the foundation there where the sun had kind of warmed the rocks. And these little opossums, they don't hibernate. But they don't like cold weather. So during the dead of winter, when it's down, 0 or below, they stay kind of safe inside their dens. But when things start to thaw out, now in late winter, we get a nice warm day or night. They get hungry and they come out looking for food. They'll look for, I don't know, whatever they can find, I guess, left over from the winter seeds. They'll eat kind of, you might say, old fermenting fruits, stuff like that. As the weather will start to warm up, they'll switch. They even eat things like worms, night crawlers, but pretty much harmless little critters and kind of neat to see out in nature. We're coming to the close of another ice fishing season now in the driftless region as we move into the first week of March. There is still good ice out there right now, about 15 inches or so, but we've got warm weather predicted for the next week, and I would say in another week or so, the ice fishing's going to be over. Luckily, we've got trout to go after, and the sucker run will be starting out. So, and walleye fishing, of course, if on some of our interior rivers and the Mississippi are coming out. But right now, if you can still get out on the ice safely, you can have a lot of fun catching some huge black crappies like this one here. Also yellow perch, bluegills, largemouth bass, northern pike. So if you've got a nice warm day, you can get on the ice. Good luck.